Hello everyone, welcome to Telpo Live Show. This is Patina.
Hello, this is Charlie.
Today we are going to introduce you very good product and the very important product of our company. They are face recognition terminals for outdoor use. First of all, let us have a brief introduction of our company. Our company is founded in 1999. We have 22 years experience in OEM and ODM service. We also have very mature biometric technology already. Until today, we have over 600 employees, including over 200 engineers. We have very powerful R&D product and the very important product of our
Nowadays, we have offered products to over 120 countries, and we have 28 national service networks to provide better after-sales service to our customers.
Experience in OEM and ODM service. We have a nation level lab to ensure the until today we have over 600. We also have 4 production lines. The monthly capacity is over 100 units per month. Yes.
Our customers covers all walks of life, and the projects are related to face recognition and face attendance, visitor restriction, smart offices, smart communities, and so on. We are able to provide professional and useful advices and solutions to our customers.
Very important for today, everyone who joined our live show today can enjoy discount price for the whole March. Please pay attention to the coming show. First of all, my colleague Charlie will recommend you the first product, the F8.
Yes, thank you. Nowadays, high-tech empowers smart security and also influences people's life and styles. By virtue of the advantage of non-contact, help, efficiency, and so on, face recognition is gradually applied to all walks of life and provide access control experiences in the smart city, smart office, and the smart communities, and so on, to cater to society development and market demand. Telpo developed smart face series products. First of all, we will introduce our powerful face recognition terminal, F8. This is our F8. It has two versions, Lilix and Android. Lilix version is the CPU is dual core and with 1.5 gigabytes hertz. Memory supports 1 GB IN and 8 GB flash or ROM, and 2 GB 2 GB IN and 16 GB ROM for optional. The Lilix system it's lower power communication and easy to operate. Our next version is Android version. The Android version is for Android 7.1 and all above. The CPU is also dual core and with 1.8 gigahertz, and dual core and quad core with 1.4 gigahertz. The memory supports 2 GB IN and 16 GB RO and OEMC. The Android version, the Android system is more powerful and easy to develop software. For the appearance, you can see it's very elegant and very fashion. You can see the appearance. You see, very thin. About features, first of all, it supports. First of all, it's 8 inches display, and the most important feature is face camera. Here are the two cameras, one RGB camera and one AR camera, and except the cameras of course is mainly for face recognition, and also it can scan the QR codes for visitors. Except the cameras, here is the NFC card reader, so it can read NFC cards. Also, it can work as a recognition method. So with the cameras, it had the anti-fake and labelless features. So when someone tries to access the thumbnail with a photo, it will not work. So in generally, for the access control methods, there are face recognition and QR code and NFC methods, and also it supports the video intercom. So they can also act as access control method. The device has rich ports like DC, like RG45, vegan import, vegan output, and the RS485, RS232, and so on. So it can be played as a door, or mainly places for access control to connect different gate systems. And the device can also support the temperature screening. So it's a current situation. So it can it's a very powerful feature and useful features. Later, let me watch a video about this IP66. That means waterproof and dustproof.
请通过，请通过，请通过，请通过。请通过，请通过。
Okay, welcome back. Next, let me show you how it works. Okay, now let's show you how it works. First of all, you need to register yourself into a device. Okay, take a name, Charlie, mobile, and set the expire time. Okay, confirm. And next, you need to take a photo of yourself from this device, or you can I can import you imagine a photo from the system, from backend system. Now let's show you how to take a photo. So the device, take a photo. It seems not very clear. Let's try again. Okay, try to take it. Okay, try. Okay, then click here register. Okay, register successfully. Then back to the kitchen. Now, yeah, you can see it recognizes me. Recognizes me for a while. Yes. Okay. Even you while our head is also, it can also recognize you. That's me, head. You see, it's recognized. And even you wear sunglasses, it can also recognize. It's to relate to the distance. You can see it's recognize me. Yes.
Hi, 我是广东天波国际事业部总经理
Even
Sunny。天波是一家具有
you cover a half of your face, it can recognize you. You see, it's recognized. Okay, that's how it works.
22年行业智能硬件及整体解决方案的供应商，总部位于佛山，海外开设了28个服务中心，在香港、斯里兰卡、尼日利亚。
version F8 that supports the temperature scaling. Here is the temporary module. The distance, the testing distance is around 50 to 70 millimeter. And accuracy
开设了分公司和
meters and
办事处。
plus 0.3 degrees. Next, let me show you how it works. Okay, now let me show you how this temperature scaling version works. First of all,
新产品已经
also adjust
100多个国家和地区，为海外运营商。
Seeing that you can adjust yourself for the
政府、
device.
银行、彩票
Or
机
you
构。
can import the information from the backend system. I'll show you the test here.
连锁店。
Set expiry time, confirm, and then take a photo of yourself.
学
Register. Okay, I'm inside. Now we can make a regulation, and also the temperature detecting. You can see from the screen. The screen is detect my temperature. Okay. It's recognize my face, and also at the same time it detects my temperature. And if someone's temperature is abnormal, it will make a alarm. Let me show you. It's just now it's too close. So now my temperature is normal, and let me hit my forehead. Yeah, it counts abnormal. So it make alarm. You can hear it make alarm. I'll show you again. I'm hitting my forehead. Okay, that's how it works. And once if once someone if it detects someone the temperature is abnormal, it will send an email to the administrator. You can set the parameter inside the system. You can set the camera. You can set whether it's use single camera or binocular camera, and you can see the face. You can also set the face angle 0 degree, 90 degree, 180, and you can see set the parameter key. Okay. Okay, that's how it works. You can see also you can see the email that you can set the email information that you to receive the record or receive the alarm that with the abnormal temperatures. You wear sunglasses. Okay. It can also recognize that's the system, and that's how it works. Okay, next, let's welcome Tina back to introduce the next product, F10.
It's
recognize me.
Hello everyone, next let me introduce
Hi,
you our
我是广恩天波。
is F10. There is no doubt that lighter body with bigger display can easily attract people's attention, and with the big display can also show more contents. The F10 is with 10-inch very big display. It runs Qualcomm high-speed processor. There's octa-core high-speed processor. It has memory 2 GB RAM and 16 GB flash. Yes. This device is ultra thin, only 23 millimeters. 23 really thin. Yeah, very fashionable design and very elegant design. It has adopted the sliding cover backboard design. At the bottom side, only have 2 screws. Only 2 screws to fix the whole cover. It's very easy for install and uninstall. So after sales will be very convenient. 5. It is dust-proof and waterproof. It's very it can satisfy different circumstances, such as the ultra bright or ultra humidity circumstance. Next, we can show you a waterproof video to show how the device can work in the dust and water circumstances. From the video, you can see it's still working very well after 10 minutes testing in the water, under the water. Let me introduce more about the hardware. The F10 device is also with the binocular camera. There is one RGB and one IR camera inside. It supports liveness detection. It can, if people want to cheat the device with photo or with video, that's not possible because the binocular camera can support the liveness detection. The F10 can also integrate with the thermometer. It can support temperature detection with the distance 15 to 17 centimeter. It can also integrate with another module with bigger display, 1.2 meters. This device, we have finished many certificates such as ROSE, FCC, TELEC, BIS, and TAB, etc. We already sell to many different countries for the bulk use. We provide all-in-one solution. Including and we also have the platform. Our platform is GDPR compliant. It can support our personal data information. Next, I can show you how our application works. Now let me show you how our device and software works. By first use, you need to register the member information. The default password is 123456. Confirm. Yeah. Then you can see the setting menu. For the every first use, you need to click the activate the device. Yes. Then you can check the data management. You can batch import the user information, and you can also batch export the member dates. Okay, first I need to register my photo. My name, Athena. Mobile. You can write your the real or a random one. I put a random one. And the expire time you can set by yourself. Then click the icon to take a photo. Click OK. Then click register. Okay, now I'm registered already. Okay, we can go out and text. Okay, first I can show you other informations. The email is to when someone get high temperature, the device can send email to the receiver automatically. You can set the email address by yourself. Okay. Temperature normal, 36.8 Celsius degrees. Very fast. The recognition speed is only 1 millisecond. Very fast. When people are wearing the sunglasses, can also recognize. See, can recognize me. When people are wearing a hat, also no problem. Yeah, just show your face. Very fast. 1 millisecond for the recognized speed. And the device has very large capacity for the user days. Can store 300,000 user days. That means you can register 300,000 users. Yeah, actually, our device not only supports face recognition, it also supports NFC card reader. It can read NFC card here. The camera can scan the QR code. But if you don't want the QR code read by camera, then we can integrate QR code scanner here. By here, here the QR code scanner will be hardware decode will be even faster than the camera. And our software have more functions. I can show you. Parameter setting. You can set different conditions. Actually, our software are designed for time and attendance and access control. You can set different conditions for the device. Yeah, you can choose single camera and binocular camera, but single camera not support live detection. If you need live detection, you need to click binocular camera. Email picture, if you click yes, then when the device sends email to you to the email address, it will show the picture of the user. If you click no, then it will send a picture automatically. Yeah, you can choose leave-in type or not. Normally we choose yes. Safe guess yes or no means depends. Some company want to check guest information, then you click yes. But normally maybe the guests don't want you to save the photos by the device, then you click no. The orientation normally choose 270 degree. And the face angle, normally we choose detect all degrees in video mode. LED switch, yeah, LED here. LED off, on. Temperature unit, you can choose different. You can also set the relay time. Relay time means at first, when people have successfully done the face recognition and temperature recognition, the door will open. 5 seconds is the time for the open. After the 5 seconds, the door will be locked again. Yeah, you can also set the temperature threshold. The normal and standard threshold should be 37.3 degrees, but you can also choose by yourself. Yeah, this is recommended. Restart time, you can set. If you set no restart, then the device will be always on. But if you set it restart, maybe restart every 12 hours, every 24 hours. It's also okay. Yeah, you can set it. It will be very easy to maintain the device. If you don't want to restart it by yourself, by people, yeah, you can set it restart automatically. Okay, this is our F10. Do you like it? If you like it, just contact us for more information. And next, my colleague Charlie will introduce you the next one, the next product at the F6. Okay.
Besides F10, we have another smart face product with fingerprint option. If you want other biometric feature for option, it's a good option. It's a good choice. That is our F6. Yes, this is our F6. From appearance, you can see it also looks fashion and elegant, and it's very slim. And with 7 inches display, F6 is Android 9 or above based. Okay, about features. First of all, the processor on CPU is quad-core with 1.8 gigahertz, and the memory is a 1 GB ROM with 8 GPO, and all the double for option. For the features, for the functions, first of all, you can see the cameras here, the dual camera, one AR camera. The camera can also scan the QR code, scan the QR code for visitor restriction. And here is the flashing and here the NFC card. So it can read the NFC card for verification. And here at this part I just mentioned, it supports the fingerprint. So the fingerprint is at this place. And here is the intercom feature. So it supports the intercom, the video intercom. And here you can see it's a temperature detection module. So it supports the temperature screening. It supports the face recognition, QR code scanning, and NFC cards, and video intercom. These four kinds of verification methods. Okay. Next, let's watch a video about the video intercom feature of this device. Okay. F6, if without the temperature screening model, it's waterproof and dustproof, so it can be used in both indoor and outdoor. So it can be used at many places. Okay, now let's watch a video about the waterproof and dustproof feature of it. Okay, let me show you how this device works. First of all, you need to register yourself into the device. Okay, from here. Okay, what's the name? Neutrally, mobile, and set expire time, expire date, and you can click here clear to take a photo of yourself. Make it clear. Okay, now register. Okay, I'm inside the device. My photo information is in the device now. Also, you can import your information from the back-end system. Okay, let me test now. Let me test now.
Temperature normal.
Okay, it recognizes me, and even when you wear a hat, it can
Please face to the
recognize.
screen. Temperature normal.
Yes, it recognizes me, and
Please face to the screen.
when you wear
Temperature
sunglasses,
normal.
yes, it recognizes me,
Temperature normal.
and when
Please face temperature normal.
you can see so the device is also detect my temperature also at the same time.
Please face to the screen.
Okay.
Temperature
Next,
normal.
let me show you some details of the system. Okay, so you can from here, there are some setting. You can set the single camera, camera, set the camera type, or set the email picture, yes or no, and some fish angle, LED, and some other settings. You can set the information, and also you can see email option here. The email that you can set an email to receive the information of the data. If when a person when it detects someone's temperature is abnormal, it will send an email to the administrator. So you can set the email, set the administrator's email here. Okay, this is the system, and also I just mentioned the LED here. So it has three kinds of colors. Let me show you the LED test. Okay, you can see it can show different colors. So you can define the colors to by yourselves to show the status of show the detecting results, like a pass or not pass. It can be defined. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, if you are interested in this product or any of our products, you can follow us and contact us for more details anytime.
Next, we would like to introduce you our Telpo face recognition solution. If you have the software team, we can provide the hardware and SDK. SDK is for free. You can use for your easier software integration. And to run the face recognition terminal, you need to have the face recognition algorithm. If you want, we can provide the algorithm to you. You can also source the algorithm locally if you have a familiar provider.
Yes, if you are not able to develop software by yourself, you can use our solutions. So yes, we can provide the whole solutions to you. First of all, we have three kinds of solutions. First of all is the hardware plus with our standalone app. Standalone means it can work alone without connecting the athlete, without connecting the networks. And And another solution is the online version. Online version is support operate online because it connects the back end system. You can connect and operate the system remotely, and can connect new different locations or offices. It means you can operate the whole system. And if you have you already existing system like attendance, we also have a solution that to integrate your existing system to our solution. That's the fifth solution. So those are our software solutions. Okay.
Many of our clients is very concerned that whether our software can support different languages. The answer is yes. And until today, our software already supports over 30 languages. Even though the language is not listed here, you can tell us that we can integrate into our software.
You may heard about the GDPR. GDPR is a European Union law that took effect May 25 in 2018. It's about privacy and security for our personal data. So our solutions is GDPR compliant. Yes, the solutions we just recommended, they are all GDPR compliant.
We also have the MDM system. MDM means mobile device management. With this system, you can manage your apps to check your devices remotely. That means if you want to update for example, if you want to update the software, the APK, you don't need to call back the devices from your clients, from your clients that the device is already inbuilt. You don't need to call them back. You just need to handle online. You can see we have different functions: device management, like Google Maps targeting, remote lock, geofence. Yeah, different functions of the MDM. If you want to know more information about MDM, yeah, you can tell us. We will send you information.
If you are interested in our products and you want to make order, please take action immediately. So now we are going to say goodbye to you. So thank you for your listening. Goodbye.